Hi everybody. Hope everyone is having a blessed day. I oopsed. I forgot that I promised to make pies for our church's potluck. So, church is tomorrow morning. And I don't have pies made. So, we're whipping up some pies. We are going to make pumpkin pie today. It is really simple to do, especially if you buy the canned pumpkin. I've also done it with pie pumpkins. You bake off the pie pumpkin. So I've done it both ways. I prefer baking the pumpkin myself, but in a pinch, canned pumpkin will have to do. I have had a very busy day today. My morning started off at 8 a.m. It is now currently 10 p.m. And I'm now making pie. So, you know, things happen. This recipe is going to make 2 pumpkin pies. You need your oven preheated to 450 degrees for this. You need a, how big is this? 29-ounce can of pureed pumpkin. Just like that. Into the bowl. To that, we are going to add 2 cups of evaporated milk. 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. There we go for sugar. You need 4 eggs. It was 86 degrees here today in mid-Michigan. And just a beautiful day. I was out and about all day with the husband. So, just to be reminded at the last minute that I'm supposed to be making pie for tomorrow morning. So, we're doing it tonight. Oops, I forgot to grab the salt. Okay, you need 1 teaspoon of salt. 2. Where's my one? There it is. One teaspoon salt. You need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Okay, cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. There's 1. There's 2. Half a teaspoon of ginger. like that. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And a half a teaspoon of cloves. Usually I'm really good about remembering stuff when it comes to if I have something on the calendar that I need to do. Today it just slipped my mind. Alright. Now, all you're going to do is mix this together. You can use a hand mixer for this if you choose. I just find it comes out a little better, I think, if I just whisk it together by hand. You just want to mix it all together. Nice mixy mix. Get it all married and smooth. That's the biggest thing, is you want it to be nice and smooth. Alright. And there you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Scrape down the sides of my bowl here, making sure I got everything good and incorporated together. Alright, now we're just going to take this and we're going to move stuff around here so I can make some room for my pie crust. I have 2 deep dish pie crusts here that obviously are pre-made because I didn't have time to make regular ones. All you're going to do is divide your batter, your filling, in half. I have mine set on a cookie sheet, just for easier transport. That way it's not sloshing around when you're moving. These are going to go into my 450 degree preheated oven for 10 minutes. And then we're going to reduce the temperature to 350 and bake it for another 40 to 45 minutes. So we will see you when we take it out of the oven. See you in a bit. Bye-bye. Alright guys, these have been in the oven for 50 minutes. They're coming out. That is what they're looking like.